Today, I'll show you how to connect Jira with GitHub. If you're looking to streamline your project management and development processes, integrating these two powerful tools can be a game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Jira and GitHub working together seamlessly, ensuring better communication and collaboration within your team. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Atlassian Jira site. Once you're there, look towards the top navigation bar and find the Apps option. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu. From here, choose the option that says Explore More Apps. This is where you'll find the necessary integration tools to bridge Jira with GitHub. Now, in the search bar, type in GitHub for Jira. It's crucial to make sure that the publisher is listed as Atlassian. This ensures that you're downloading the official app, which is tested and verified to work optimally with Jira. Once you've found the correct app, click on either Get App or Get It Now. The wording might vary slightly depending on updates, but the function remains the same. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. At this point, you've successfully installed the GitHub for Jira app, but we're not quite done yet. Now, you'll need to link your GitHub account with Jira. This step is vital, as it allows the two platforms to communicate and share data effectively. To do this, head over to your GitHub account and make sure you're logged in. You'll want to navigate to your account settings, where you'll find an option to add integrations or applications. Look for Jira in the list of available integrations. Clicking on it will prompt you to authorize the connection. You might need to provide your Jira credentials to finalize this step, ensuring that both accounts are securely linked. Once your GitHub account is linked, you can start taking advantage of the integration. You'll notice that your Jira tickets can now automatically update based on commits, branches, and pull requests in GitHub. This means less manual work for you and your team, and more time focusing on what truly matters, developing great software. There are a few tips to make the most out of this integration. First, make sure to use consistent naming conventions in your branches and commits. This will help Jira to more accurately track and reflect the status of your work. Additionally, encourage your team to include Jira issue keys in their commit messages. This small step can significantly enhance traceability and ensure that all work is properly linked to the respective Jira tickets. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Jira with GitHub. This integration can lead to improved efficiency and better project management, providing your team with a comprehensive view of your development workflow. Remember, the key to a successful integration is consistency and communication, so make sure everyone on your team is on the same page. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes your project management smoother and more efficient. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy collaborating.